in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a catalog in Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. Then, on the left-hand side, click on Online Store. Then click Pages. Click Add Page. Name it Catalog. Make sure the visibility is visible. Then click Save. Next, create separate pages for each product category you want in your catalog. After adding all the pages, now go to Content, click Menus, then click on Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item, type in Clothes, then under Link, select Pages, then click Close. Do the same for the other menu items. Now, drag both clothes and toys under the catalog menu item. Make sure they are indented to be sub-items of catalog. Make sure not to drag them under each other. Both should be on the same level under catalog. Click Save Menu. And you're done. You have now added a catalog page in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.